Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine and safe, right? So students, today we are going to start the term 1 syllabus. In that, our first chapter is chapter number 5, soil, right? This chapter we have been also learned in our standard 3rd, right? So today, this chapter we will learn in detail, okay? See. So in this chapter you will learn about formation of soil, composition of soil, types of soil, soil profile, soil erosion and soil conservation, right? So this all topic you will learn in this chapter. So first of all, soil. So students, as we all know that soil is very important for the plant, right? Without soil we cannot plant trees. Without soil we cannot plant trees. So now tell me students, how soil is formed? Soil जो है वो कैसे बनती है? How soil is formed? Yes, from the sun's heat, rain, cold, storm, right? All these different seasons, all these different weather affect these rocks, right? When rocks breaks down into smaller pieces, that is how soil is formed. So soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks. जो बड़े बड़े rocks होते हैं, rocks यानी के बड़े पहाड़, right? So जो ये big rocks होते हैं, when they break down into smaller pieces, then our soil forms. So sun's heat, rain, storm, wind, all these factors affect the rocks, and rocks will break down into smaller pieces. Then forms the soil. Okay, now look for the following words related to soil in the words maze below. So first of all, in this chapter, on the page number 56, they gives us one puzzle, right? So in this, what we have to do is, we have to search the word, right? Here are the words: weathering, silt, clay, sand, humus, minerals, loam, topsoil, bedrock and erosion, right? So we have to search this all words related to the soil in this maze. Okay, so the first word is weathering. So we have to search in this maze. Where is weathering? Search everyone, come on. Where is the weathering word? So it starts with W. So weathering is, yes, here it is, WEATHERING, weathering, right? So here we found the first word, weathering. So what you have to do is, you just have to circle this word. Okay, circle this word. You have to use pencil. Okay everyone, come on. So first word is weathering. Okay, weathering means what? Different seasons, right? Cold, hot, right? That means winter, summer, monsoon. So these all are the seasons. So summer में weather कैसा होता है? Hot, right? In winter, weather is cold. In monsoon, the weather is cloudy, right? So this all are called weather, right? So the first word is weathering. Then the second word is silt. So shall everyone find out the silt word? Where it is? Find. Come on. Silt. The second word is silt. Yes, here we found SILT, silt. So you know what you have to do? Circle this word silt. Okay. Now silt means what everyone? Silt हम कैसे कहते हैं? So silt means कीचड़. सिल्ट को हम क्या कहते हैं? कीचड़, राइट. So the second word is also found. Then the third word is clay. So you have to find out the clay word in this. Come on, find out the clay. C-L-A-Y, clay. Clay. Yes, we found it. C-L-A-Y, clay. So circle on the clay word. Yes. Third word is also found. Clay. Clay का मतलब होता है मिट्टी. Right. Then the fourth word is sand. S-A-N-D, sand. Come on everyone. Find it. Sand. Then humus, minerals, loam, topsoil, bedrock, erosion. So this all words related to the soil you have to find out in the word mess. Okay. See, यहाँ पे मैंने 3 words आपको ढूंढ के दिए, तो बाकी के जितने भी words है you have to find out by yourself. Okay. So this is your homework for a day. You have to find out this all words: weathering, silt, clay, sand, humus, minerals, loam, topsoil, bedrock and erosion. So this all words related to this soil you have to find out in this word mess. Fine. Then we'll move on to our today's topic. It is formation of soil. It is formation of soil. मतलब soil जो है वो कैसे बनता है, right? Soil कैसे form होता है. So as we all know that when the rocks breaks down, the soil were formed, right? Big pieces of rocks are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. This process is called weathering. Right? How the soil formed? So, big pieces of rocks are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces. See, rocks के जो big pieces होते हैं, right? Rock जो होता है जब वो टूटता है मतलब break down होता है into smaller pieces by wind and water. Wind और water की जब उसके ऊपर इफेक्ट होता है तो जो बिग रॉक्स होते हैं वो ऐसे बिग पीसेस जो होते हैं रॉक्स के वो टूट के स्मॉलर पीसेस में चेंज हो जाते हैं टिल वी गेट अ फाइन पाउडर. जब हम बिग रॉक्स जो होते हैं यानी बिग पहाड़ जो होते हैं उस पर बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स अफेक्ट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल विंड, वाटर, सन्स हीट, स्टॉर्म, राइट? दिस ऑल फैक्टर्स अफेक्ट्स ऑन दी बिग रॉक्स, right? Then the big rocks are broken down into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. जो big rocks होते हैं जब वो टूट जाते हैं smaller pieces में और smaller pieces में भी जब तक हमें वो fine powder नहीं मिल जाता तब तक ये प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं weathering. जो big rocks होते हैं वो टूटते हैं और टूट के ऐसे स्मॉलर पीसेस बन जाते हैं और यही स्मॉलर पीसेस में भी जो डिफरेंट फैक्टर्स होते हैं वेदर के वो उसके ऊपर इफेक्ट करते हैं और स्मॉलर पीसेस जो होते हैं रॉक्स के वो भी ब्रेक डाउन होके हमें एक फाइन पाउडर में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. तो हमें क्या मिलता है? फाइन पाउडर. नाउ दिस फाइन पाउडर इज कॉल्ड सोइल. नाउ दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड वेदरिंग. बिग पीसेस ऑफ रॉक्स आर ब्रोकन डाउन by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. This process is called weathering. Students, as we all know that soil is formed by breaking down of rocks. Rocks means what? Bade pahad, right? So when the rocks break down into the smaller pieces by the sun's heat, cold, rain, storm, right? By all this factor, big rocks are affected. And they broken down into the smaller pieces, right? Now this smaller pieces of rocks, it will get also affected by the weathering, right? And it will changes into the fine powder. When we get the soil from the big rocks to the fine powder, this whole process is called weathering. बड़े रॉक में से जब वो टूटता है टूटते टूटते जब वो फाइन पाउडर में चेंज नहीं हो जाता, फाइन पाउडर में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो जाता तो ये पूरी प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं वेदरिंग. ओके, So this is how soil formed. Whenever the fine powder known as sand mixes with the remains of dead plants and animals called humus and minerals, soil is formed. Whenever the fine powder known as sand mixes with the remains of dead plants and animals and minerals, soil is formed. जैसे ये fine powder होता है, right? When the big rocks broke down, right, it will convert into small pieces, and these smaller pieces of rock it will also affected by the weathering, and it will also convert into the fine powder. So this process is called weathering. Now this fine powder known as sand, it will also mixes with the remains of dead plants and animals and minerals. That is how soil formed. तो ये जो फाइन पाउडर होता है, तो वो फाइन पाउडर उसको हम सैंड कहते हैं, राइट? वी नोन एज सैंड. तो ये जो फाइन पाउडर होता है वो उसमें भी क्या मिक्स होता है? डेड प्लांट्स, डेड एनिमल्स एंड मिनरल्स. तो ये सारी चीजें जब फाइन पाउडर में मिक्स होती है, देन आफ्टर सोइल इज फॉर्म्ड, राइट? फाइन पाउडर बनने से वो सोइल नहीं बनता है, बट वो फाइन पाउडर में से भी जो डेड प्लांट्स होते हैं, डेड एनिमल्स होते हैं, मिनरल्स होते हैं, जब वो साथ में फाइन पाउडर के साथ वो मिक्स होते हैं, तब बनता है हमारा सोइल, राइट? When the big pieces of rocks are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder, this process is called weathering, right? तो सोइल को बनने में क्या हेल्प करता है? वेदरिंग जो है वो बहुत हेल्प करता है, राइट? कि बिग रॉक्स जो होते हैं उसके ऊपर बहुत सारी जो चीजें होती है वो अफेक्ट करती है, राइट? वेदर की बहुत सारी चीजें उस पर इफेक्ट करती है, हीट, स्टॉर्म, रेन, right? So this whole process is called weathering. From the big rocks we get these smaller pieces of rock, and from the smaller pieces of rock we get this fine powder, right? Now in this fine powder it is known as sand. It also will get the mixes with the remains of dead plants and animals and minerals. Then after soil is फॉर्म. जो ये फाइन पाउडर बनता है उसे हम कहते हैं सैंड, राइट? तो ये सैंड में भी जब डेड प्लांट्स, डेड एनिमल्स एंड मिनरल्स मिक्स होते हैं, तब हमारा सोइल जो है वो फॉर्म होता है. Thus, soil is defined as the top layer of the earth surface, which consists of sand, remains of dead plants and animals and minerals with some amount of water and air in it. इसीलिए सोइल जो है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? टॉप लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस. अर्थ का जो सरफेस है उसका जो टॉप लेयर है उसे हम कहते हैं सोइल, राइट? सोइल इज डिफाइंड एज द टॉप लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस. अर्थ का जो सरफेस होता है स्टूडेंट्स, सरफेस मीन्स व्हाट? उसका जो लेयर होता है, राइट? तो सरफेस का जो टॉप लेयर होता है, सरफेस मीन्स हमारी अर्थ का जो ग्राउंड होता है, राइट? उसका सबसे टॉप लेयर क्या होता है? सोइल का ही होता है. जैसे अर्थ जो है हमारा, उसके बहुत सारे लेयर्स होते हैं, बट उन लेयर में से सबसे टॉप लेयर जो है वो सोइल का होता है. विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ सैंड, रिमेन्स ऑफ डेड प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स एंड मिनरल्स विथ सम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर एंड एयर इन इट. तो जो ये टॉप लेयर है अर्थ का, राइट? अर्थ का जो टॉप लेयर है उसे हम कहते हैं सोइल. तो सोइल जो है वो अपने अंदर क्या कंसिस्ट करता है? सोइल कंसिस्ट सैंड, रिमेन्स ऑफ डेड प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स एंड मिनरल्स विथ सम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर एंड एयर इन इट. तो सोइल जो होता है वो अपने अंदर डेड प्लांट्स, डेड एनिमल्स, मिनरल्स, सम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर एंड एयर, तो ये सारी चीजें सोइल के अंदर मिक्स होती है. ओके, that we all know that, right? ये सब हमने थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में स्टडी किया था. that what soil contains? So the soil contains sand, remains of dead plants, dead animals, minerals, water and air. These all things consist by the soil, right? Soil is very important for life on earth. Soil is very important for life on earth. Plants mostly grow in soil. They produce food and give out oxygen. See students, soil is very important for us. Soil is very important for the earth also. So without soil we cannot plant trees, right? Plants mostly grow in soil. आपको पता है soil जो है वो हमारे अर्थ की लाइफ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Why? Because mostly plants grow in soil, right? Most of the plants जो है वो soil में ही grow होते हैं, right? Most of the plants grow in soil. So they produce food and give out oxygen which is needed by humans and animals to stay alive, right? Humans और animals जो होते हैं उनको जीने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Food and oxygen, right? Food, oxygen and water. These three things are very essential for the human life and as well as the animals life, right? So जो plants है उसमें से हमें food मिलता है, उसमें से हमें oxygen मिलता है, right? Which is very essential for the human life. That is how plants are very important for us. That is how plants are very important for us. But without soil we cannot plant the most of the plants, right? Without soil we cannot plant. So soil is very important for the life on the earth. Soil is also home to many insects and animals. Soil जो है वो बहुत सारे animals और insects का घर भी है, right? Because most of the insects and animals that lives in soil. So students, that is how soil is very important for us, because most of the plants grows in soil and plants gives us food and oxygen which is very essential for the human and animals life to stay alive. And also soil is home to many insects and animals, right? So in today's video, in today's topic, what we learned? We learned about the formation of soil, that how soil is formed, right? Soil जो है वो कैसे बनती है वो हमने यहाँ पे सीखा. That from the big pieces of the rocks, right, when they broke down by the weathering, that means wind, water, air, sun's heat, right, storm, by all these factors affecting the big rocks, and it will convert into small pieces. When the big rocks they break down into smaller pieces, and also this all the weathering processes also affect the smaller pieces of rock, and it will convert into the fine powder, right? When the big rocks when the big pieces of rock broke down, and it will convert into the fine powder, this whole process is called weathering, right? And this fine powder, it is known as sand. It is mixes with the remaining dead plants and animals and minerals, right? When all these factors mixes with the fine powder, then and then only our soil is formed. Soil is also the top layer of the earth's surface, right, which consists sand, remains of dead plants and animals, minerals, some amount of water and air in it, right? Soil consists dead plants and animals, minerals, water and air, right? These all things are consist by the soil. Then we also learned about the importance of soil, right? Soil is very important for the earth life. Why? Because most of the plants grows in soil. They produce food and gives out oxygen which is very essential for the humans as well as the animals life, right? And also soil is the home of many insects and animals. That is how soil is very very important for the life on the earth, right? अर्थ के ऊपर जीने के लिए सोइल जो है वो हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स ग्रोज इन सोइल. बहुत सारे जो प्लांट्स होते हैं वो सोइल में ही प्लांट होते हैं. इसी वजह से सोइल जो है हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. विदाउट सोइल वी कैन नॉट प्लांट ट्रीज, राइट? If we don't plant trees, we didn't get the food or the oxygen, right, which is essential for our life. So that's how soil is very important for us. Okay, so here our formation of the soil topic is over, and your homework for a day is you have to complete this word maze, right? You have to find out all this word into this word maze, right? And you have to circle the word. The words are weathering, silt, clay, sand, humus, minerals, loam, topsoil, bedrock and erosion. Okay, so you have to find out all this word into this word maze. Fine. Okay, so students, here you have any query about this topic, so you can drop a message. Fine. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.